Hey, it's Mr. Higgins here, and I'm going to be showing you a video how to save an amazing amount of time using Sign Genius. I'm making this video just so I remember how to do it next time for myself and to share with others because it's not that much of an intuitive process when it comes to conferences. I had to watch a few videos, so I'm trying to make a really clear video how to do it for me and for you. And so you just go to Sign Genius. It's free, so uh, you need to make an account. When you finish making an account, pause the video and then come back. So I'm going to now create a sign up by pressing this green button, create a sign up. Now to create a sign up, it's going to give you some, just the basics of what you need to do. Title, parent, teacher, conferences, and then select a group. I already added my name, Mr. Higgins, class, type category, just leave that there. And of course, this is education. And then pick a theme. So I like to find the school theme. Back to school for conferences. And notice the preview it gives you down here. Parent teacher conferences, please review the available slots below and click the button to sign up. So the first page is pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It's going to be this next page that gets confusing, so pay attention. Feel free to pause the video whenever. I want to try and keep this under 5 minutes, but we'll see. You need to sort by slot. And then on the left side, you'll add your slot, which will just say conferences. On the right side, we're going to add the individual days, okay? One at a time. You can't add them all at a time or else it's too complicated. So let's add the general title, add slot, and this will be called conference sign ups. Sign ups, one word, sign ups, two words. If you get confused, you can just say conferences or parent, teacher, add that little dash parent teacher conferences. Leave comment blank, leave it on one, click save. That's it, just click save. Now we're gonna go to the dates, which we're gonna have to do one at a time to make it look how we want it to look and have it be easy. So click add dates. Okay, and so the date today is the 14th. And so we're just for easiness sake, we're gonna look at the next week to do conferences, even though of course you never do that in real life. And you're going to click on add. So don't click this, don't click recurring days, click add time slots. So remember, we're going to do this one day at a time. So we're going to do the 18th on Wednesday to the 18th on Wednesday. And the time range will be from, let's say it's a half day. You teach in the morning, you eat lunch, then you're getting ready to do conferences. Here we go. So let's say it's 1 to 5. You want to try and get as many in as you can done. Or let's say you want your late day. Hey, you're just going to go get a bunch done. Let's make it 1 to 7. Why not? Your family will be mad at you at home. Okay, they will be mad. You just got married, have kids. How about this? Make it reasonable, 1 to 5. And you want the conferences to be, let's say, you think 15 minutes, but you think it might take a little longer due to virtual teaching. Make it 20 minutes. Make it 25 minutes. Whatever you feel comfortable with, and it'll say how many time slots you'll have. All my parents, I told them just to click through our Google Classroom. If you get stuck, you can always email me. I'll be checking my email and I can send you the sign up code. You can click here to have a Zoom link, but I like Google Meets because I'm comfortable with that. And then you just click add 12 slots. And as you can see, you have your times on the right. You're like, okay, Wednesday at 1. You say, you know what, 1 to 5, that's a long stretch. I need a half an hour buffer to eat and to also give me time to prepare for the next one. So how about let's do it at 2 hours? So how about at 1 to 2? I'll take a break at 2. Just hit the X button and click yes, delete that. So notice 2 o'clock conference is gone. So now you have 2 to 2:20 on your own because now you can only sign up for 2:20 to 2:40. And let's say you say, you know what, I just also need a break at 3:40 to prepare for that last hour stretch. And there you go. You get 3:40 to prepare. No one can sign up for it. But we know we're not doing it just for Wednesday. We're doing Thursday and Friday as well. So click on add dates. And don't click this, don't click that. You want to go to add time slots. Now Thursday, you say I want this to be the big day, the 19th, where we just get through as many as we can. So Friday we can relax a little bit. So let's start. We're going to volunteer our time here at 7 o'clock in the morning for parents before work. We're going to volunteer and after. an hour after work to get as many as we can done because we'll be in the zone. We have our coffee ready. We're going to keep the same amount of time, and we don't need to put a location or anything because I've already told parents it's going to be through our Google Classroom link. Add slots. And then, so now we see Wednesday, we go down, we see Thursday. Whoa, look at all these slots. And where's Thursday start? Okay, so you can see Thursday starts here, 7 a.m. And then again, you want some breaks for yourself. You're like, okay, let's do breaks every 2 hours, 8 to 10. I get a break at 10. And then 10 to 12. I'll give myself 40 minutes at 12, so I'll take out 12:20 as well for lunch. And then I want to break at 3. So you hit X, yes, delete that date and time. And I want to break again at 4:40. Yes, that date and time. Now, just because you have these options here, that doesn't mean your parents are going to pile in all these options. They might stagger it around. For example, okay, I'll show you on this next date. For example, we need to add Friday. That's our last day of conferences. So don't click add from calendar. Don't click add recurring dates. We're doing slots, time slots, and it's Friday. Come on, pop up calendar. There you go. And the 20th. And we wanted to end on the 20th. We want to start. We want a little bit more time to sleep in today. And so where's 8 o'clock? I'll just type in 8. And then you say, you know what? At my school district, they let me leave right when I finish my last conference. So maybe I can, in the afternoon. So maybe I'll end my conferences at 1 p.m. You say, you know what? I worked early and late yesterday, and or maybe we'll make it 2. Let's make it 1. So now we take the time intervals to 20 again, and it says there's 15 slots available. Now you might want to do this because I set my conferences, and I set my last one on Friday till 5. Oops. And guess what happened? A parent picked the very last time slot, the very last day, and I had like a 3-hour stretch. And so you could just be like, oh, you know what? Let's just not make that an option. Let's just say I want to be done at 3:30. That's my contract time. I don't have early release, when I'm finished. So there you go. And you click add slots. And so we're finished. It's that simple with creating the time slots. You go down, you have Friday again, and you can go down again. Remember to take out the times you want for yourself. And then it doesn't end at 12 o'clock. Look, there's an extra page to click on. So we have another page. And so now you've ended your meetings at 3:20 because it can't fit another 20-minute time slot, and that's it. And you didn't give the ability to make it too late in the day so you don't have a huge empty spot and then a conference time. But let's go through how do we now publish this. So you click save and continue, and then ask participants for names. So this is asking for their name. So this is another important part. You want their email. And then for a comment, you want to require a comment. Know why? You want to put this to be their child's name. Add a child's name. You want this because the parents might have a completely different last name than their child. And so if, the kid's name is Billy Higgins, but their mom's name is Sarah Sanders, you'll have no clue who this parent is if they just write down their name. So you need to put child's name for comment. You could also add more. Like what else might you add? Oh, don't need those. Maybe a custom question. Okay, too much. It's just too much. Okay, so we're just going to do name, email, and child's name. The email is great because you could respond to them and they could respond to you. You can to make it easy for yourself to contact parents. And so we did, okay, ask participants for the most important one was child's name. Do not allow to swap. You just want it to be you sign up and that's what you get. I didn't even notify me when people sign up. I did that. send them reminders. Excellent. I didn't do any restrictions or any integrations. Too confusing. Save and continue. Are you ready to publish? Sure, let's publish it. Oh, yeah. So you click publish. Oh, let's review it down here. So here's the preview. And it's very clean, very concise, easy. Because what's going to happen is the parents will get this link and they click on it to sign up. So let's look at the link. Let's see, publish. We publish it. We'll get a link. Don't forget to send invites. Choose from the options below this page. So here's how I set my link. I didn't want students to mess around with it. And so I copied the link and I emailed it to everyone in Google Classroom. And here's how I did it in Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, I don't want to show my parents' emails, but you click on people. And in our district, they have all the parents, they automatically populate when it comes to people. And it has all their emails. So you check mark it, and it highlights all their emails, and you click email guardians. And when you click email guardians, then all you need to do is control paste that link, and there you go. And what I did was in our parent newsletter, I email those out in mass. So you do your bulk email. If you have Class Dojo, you could just post it in Class Dojo. Google Classroom, you could also put it on your stream page. And so let's show my Google Classroom. So people, you click on people. I don't want to click on people because I don't want to show all the personal information. Okay, here we go. I was able to get it ready. So I took a screenshot. So to email all your guardians in Google Classroom, you click this right here, click, and then you click this right here, click, and then it'll bring you to a screen, pretty much an email screen like this. And then you just type in, parent-teacher conferences, sign up form, and then you go ahead and say, hi, parents or dear families, please click the link below to sign up for parent-teacher conferences. Sincerely, Mr. Higgins. And then here's the link. Click this link button, right? It looks like a chain link. Click it. Just copy paste. Oh, you don't know how to copy paste? Well, let me show you. Where is here's the link. You right click it, click copy. Go back to your email, right click, click paste. Or you could press Control C to copy, Control V to paste. There you go. So I'm going to send this to here's my email. Let's click on it and see what we have. And it's going to look like this. And here's what a parent's going to see. They're okay. Let me put this in an incognito window, just in case it messes up in here. Control V, paste. And so it says, oh, pick a time. Okay, let's say I want to be a wise guy. I'm going to pick the very last time. And then sign up. You click sign up. And then down here it says submit and sign up. So you see how easy for parents it is? You just click it, submit and sign up. And then, I have to put my child's name, Billy. And then boom, sign up now. Let's see what it says. Thank you. You're all signed up. And then it'll give me an email. And so a week from now when I'm teaching, I'll be like, what is this? Oh yeah, I did that video. And so that's it. All right. So there's that video. Feel free to look more of the videos I have on YouTube. I also have some resources on Teachers Pay Teachers you might enjoy. I teach 3rd grade. Have a good day.